joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do, this is another wood panel that I have it all taped up. I thinking about making a clock out of this. I don't know. It already has a hook in there to hang it, but it was just a wood panel, cradled board, whatever, that I got from one of those Amazon places. And it had some writing and stuff on it, so I just painted over the top of it, and I'm going to do a flip cup on this board. The colors that I'm using, so okay, bear with me because I'm not positive. There's some colors that I had mixed up previously. I think I have one is Blinkrylic Violet, I believe this is. And then I have Decoart's 24 karat gold, metallic 24 karat gold. I have Blick's Florescent pink. And this one here, I believe, is, I think this one is Liquitex Basics Magenta, maybe? No, I'm not sure, but I'll put the link in I'll put the name of it in the description. I'll find it, figure out what it is. And then this one here, I'm not really sure which one this is either. I've had some of these paints mixed up for quite some time. So, and this one here is Decoart's Metallic Amethyst. So I'm going to layer my cup. I just painted the white down here on the bottom. So I'm going to layer my cup. I was debating on doing a SHMEAR or doing a flip cup. I don't know. Maybe I'm going to do a SHMEAR. Well, I don't know. What should I do? I wish you guys could tell me what to do here. I think I'm going to do a SHMEAR. I'm going to SHMEAR. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I haven't done that for a while, so. Alright, so I do have Artist Lost Flow White mixed up here in my container. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and will like and subscribe and share and comment, all that fun jazz. I do appreciate you guys watching. I thought I seen something in here. I don't know if you guys have noticed or not, but I did kind of adjust the name of my channel from AmysCreativeAcrylics to Amy's Creative Art. The reason why I did that is because I don't just do acrylic painting anymore, pouring, painting, whichever. I kind of do a lot of resin as well, so I thought I just would adjust my name a little bit, and I was lucky enough that that name wasn't taken. So, and it's close to Amy's Creative Acrylics, but yeah, I was lucky that that name wasn't taken on YouTube, or I got the email. So I got everything that goes with it. Although my Instagram is AmysCreative_art. So I had to do a little adjusting on that on my Instagram, but other than that, it worked out perfectly for me to get that. So I'm happy about that. So if you've noticed, I don't know if you guys have noticed or not. Let's see. Just trying to get that. There's a little goob down there. I'm just trying to get it off. I do thank everybody for watching, though. getting closer and closer and closer to that 1,000. So I appreciate your guys' support. It's taken me a while to get there, but I'm getting there. So I do appreciate you guys for all of your supporting my channel, watching my videos, commenting and all that fun stuff. I do appreciate you guys so much. All right, so let's see. I think that I will. And then for my SHMEAR color, I am using Amsterdam's titanium white.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat, I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, babe. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
Let me bring you down for a close-up, but I'm happy with how this turned out. It looks really pretty. All right, so I'll bring it down for a close-up, but just look at these cells. So pretty and so much shimmer. Like, it would have been so cool if these would have created all through this white spot. But you guys will have to tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And will like and subscribe and share and comment, all that fun jazzy jazz. And I appreciate you guys' support. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any suggestions or ideas, or you want to see some color combinations I can do, anything, just let me know in the comments below. But I hope everybody is healthy and keeping safe out there. Yeah. And I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye-bye.